Microsoft Azure Administrator. So whenever you are applying for the jobs, you can say I'm applying for the job for Microsoft Azure Administrator. But what is the job of Microsoft Azure Administrator, guys? So the job of the Microsoft Azure Administrator is managing the network in the cloud, guys. Managing, deploying the network in the cloud. So I will give you an example here, guys. After completing MCSE course, guys, like after completing MCSE 2012 or 2016 or 2008, guys, maybe 2008 you have done MCSE, or maybe you have done 2012 or 2016. After that, you can say you are the system administrator. Or after completing Linux also, guys, some of the student has completed Linux, you can see you are the Linux administrator, and that also is called system admin. Maybe your platform is Windows, guys, or maybe your platform is what here, Linux here. But after completing this course, so you can say yourself as a what here, system administrator. You can say yourself as a system admin, or you can say network administrator also, guys. So what is the day-to-day activity of the system administrator, guys? As a system administrator, we are managing on-premises network, guys. We are managing what here, on-premises network, and this network technically also, guys, is called a private network also, guys. It's called what here, private network here. Okay, so I will give you one diagram example. Assume it, your company working as a system administrator in one organization, and you got a project, guys. You got a new project in your organization. So example, one client is coming, that is called company A. The company A is coming, sir, please design my network. You are the administrator, you want to design. So this company A is saying, we require nearly 6 servers. We require what here? 6 servers we require. What servers you require? This company is saying we require Active Directory server. This company is saying we require a DNS server. This company is saying we require one web server also, guys. And this company is saying we need SQL server, database server. We need SAP server. We need one email server also, guys. We require. So this many requirements are there. So guys, for this company A, if you want to create a private network on premises, private network here. So what are the requirements? The requirement is what here? We require physical servers to run these services. We require what here? Physical hardware servers. So I'm not talking about the laptop desktop, guys, like we are using laptop desktop in our PCs, guys, right? We are talking about here physical hardware servers. And really, guys, in the real time, when you go to the company organization, when you're purchasing the real physical servers, guys, that is called blade servers in the market. There is a good technology servers are there. If you purchase, that servers are very expensive, guys. So maybe one server is going to cost you 5 lakhs rupees, guys. Example, one server. So guys, can you install all these 6 services, 6 server services in one physical server? You can give the answer in the chat box here, guys. Yes or no? Yes, you can install all these 6 servers in one server. But guys, actually practical is no. There are 2 reasons are there why I'm saying no. First reason is what? In this machine, if I install 6 services, guys, all 6 services. So this machine is called Active Directory server also, DNS also, web server also, SQL server also, SAP server also, guys, email server also. So when my users are using desktop machines, client machines, guys. So when my users are logging to this computers, guys, for example, the Sam is sitting on this machine, John is sitting on this machine. So like this in my network, guys, we have hundreds of computers and hundreds of users also is there, guys. Hundreds of computers, hundreds of users are, and these users are logging to client machine and accessing all the services from one server, guys, is requesting to one server to access. So now tell me, guys, if hundreds of users are connecting to one server to access the services, so now tell me, guys, these services always is fast? These services always give the same performance? No, guys. Sometimes the services are fast, some services are slow, guys. So this is called load balancing problem. And second reason is what? In future, guys, if this server is failed, if this system one server is failed, guys, so then what? How many server services are failed here? All the services are failed. Again, we have to rebuild the network. Again, we have to rebuild the network. This is one issue. So that's why the companies The organization management is saying, so don't run all the services in one server, because we want better performance, we want faster accessing services, right? And the processing should be fast, guys. So for that reason, the companies are going for this formula that is called 1:1. 1:1 means one server, one, right? One server, one client, one server, one machine, guys. One server, one machine. So in this machine, guys, here, I'm taking one service, only Active Directory this machine. Okay. If I run DNS also, guys, there is no issue, right? I can install DNS service also in this machine. So in first machine, two services. But in next machine, guys, I don't want to install two services here. I want to install one service. So in this machine, I'm making this machine as what here? Web server. So next machine, guys, I'm making this machine as SQL server. Next machine, I'm making SAP server, guys, SAP server. And remember, guys, when you try to install SQL service in Active Directory in this machine, guys, info server, it will say SQL service will say is a Microsoft service. It will say it's not recommended to install this service in this machine, but still you can install, no problem. But when you try to install SAP service, guys, these services will fail, guys, because we try to install SAP service, because nowadays the SAP is almost organizations are using there to manage the network. So SAP service, if you install with Active Directory, it will fail, guys. Like this email service also. So you have to. So we are taking one machine, we are installing. So guys, here now, like this, guys, in future, if you increase your services, so you have to increase your servers also. Example, in future, guys, my boss is saying we require one file server, right, to share the files. So I'm making one system as what here? File server here. So guys, total how many services we need? We need total 6 services or 7 services. But we are maintaining how many servers here? We are maintaining we require 6 servers, guys. Okay, not tell me, guys, 6 servers purchasing, right, is enough? No, guys. These are the hardware servers. Apart from that, we have so many other requirements also. So what are the other requirements here? Servers. This is we require, and to run these servers, guys, we require OS, and we require license also, guys. Without license, we servers. So how many of system license? Example, if I go to run to the servers on 2012 data center edition, guys, server 2012 data center edition. So one data center edition license is costing me 1 lakh rupee, guys, because we cannot purchase one license and we can run in all machines, guys. Like in our real time, we are using that one. We are not using license operating system in our laptop, guys. Maybe sometime we are using paragraph one. Okay, but in real time we cannot do this one. So we require one server, one license. So guys, how many licenses have to purchase here? Total 6 license. Means one license is costing me estimate here $100, right? $100. So it means $600 we have to pay to purchase server. So means server OS is expensive and hardware is expensive, right? This is one. And next what, guys? Right? We require switches to connect all this machine, guys. We require routers also to connect, right? We require network devices. We require cables also, right? And we require some gateways, right? And we require some firewalls also in our network, guys, right? And guys, we require good to keep the servers, and we require servers are going to generate more heat, guys. We require cooling system. We require ACs, right? We require ACs to keep the cool here. And guys, we require uninterrupted power supply, 24/7 power supply. Electricity will require, guys, right? Because you cannot say like my server is on and I will run this server for 4 hours and then I will shut down. It's not like that, guys, because servers means is running 24/7, guys. Okay, because your company is running morning, right? So your company is running night shift also, guys. So we have to keep the server on 24/7. So here we require 24/7 electricity, guys. So now tell me, guys, can you depend on your government's power supply? Can you say always it is available for you 24/7? No, guys, we cannot. So when the power is off, we require backup also. So we require what here? Generators, guys. We require generators, and to run the generators, we require diesel cost also, guys. So your diesel cost will be increased here. Then your turn is there. You are the admin. You have to, if all these things are available, guys, then you have to go and you are the admin. You have to configure all these servers. You have to make the setup here. So not only, guys, to make the setup, how many days you require? You're doing initial setup. 1 day is enough. Okay, 1 day is enough, guys? No, we require a lot of time here. These 15 days, or sometime if your network is large, guys, we require 1 month also, guys. So estimate 30 days to make new setup, guys. Right? We have hundreds of clients also. We require user accounts also. We require permissions also. Everything we have to start from scratch, guys. Right? So we have to make. So now tell me, guys, this type of network is expensive or not? And it's taking a lot of time also to make the setup here, right? So now the cloud will come in the picture. If your company is saying, sir, I want to reduce the hardware cost, I want to reduce the OS cost, I want to reduce this networking devices, I want to go for my power supply is not 24/7, but still I want to run my service, right? So then on your request, guys, you can move to the cloud, guys. So the cloud is coming in the picture here to resolve this issue, guys. So now the companies are saying here, you can move to the cloud. And the cloud is what here? Serverless technology, guys, here. We are moving to the cloud here, right? So the cloud is what here? First of all, cloud is a, you can find in the cloud, we have flexibility, guys. Flexibility means anytime you can create the service, and you can, if you after created, guys, you can remove. Example here. Assume this project, what we have just now created in our network. Assume you are the admin, you created this network. But assume after some time this project is completed, right? If this project is completed, guys, what is it? Because for new project we require new servers, new high-end machines we require, guys. Okay, and up to the limit we can increase the hardware, but not beyond that. So this is a, so the company is saying you can come to the cloud here. You can go for the cloud, you can go for the serverless. So now you can configure your on-premises network, your cloud, your private network, right? So the companies are saying you can create or you can deploy your private network in cloud, guys, right? By the help of cloud provider, by the help of cloud providers, guys. So who is the cloud providers, guys, in the market? There are so many are there, guys, in this race. In this race, there are so many are there. Like the cloud providers are there. You can go to the AWS. You can go to Microsoft Azure, guys. You can go to the Google also is there. And we have in the market nowadays, Alibaba also is there, guys. IBM also is there in this network. And you can say VMware organizations, etc. There are so many companies out there. You can take any cloud provider help. You can create, and all these cloud providers are providing the same service, guys. All these cloud providers are providing the same service, and these cloud providers are having their own data centers, guys. These cloud providers are having their own data center. You can take any cloud provider help, you can create the network. So here I'm going to Microsoft Azure, guys. So I'm taking the help of Microsoft Azure. Why Microsoft Azure? Because you can see almost in the world, you can see here the companies end users are using Microsoft operating system. Is very flexible, guys, and you can see almost all the world applications smoothly you can run in Microsoft operating system, guys. Right? If you go to the small scale industries, if you go to the medium, if you go to the large, if you go to the end users, guys, most of the companies, if I'm not wrong, 98% of the companies in the world or end users are using Microsoft product, are using Microsoft operating system, guys. So tell me, guys, in my class, how many students are using Linux operating system in your laptop or desktop, guys? Linux operating system. You can write in the chat box if anyone is using Linux operating system. Kanaya, Kumar, you're using. Okay, very good. Okay. So it means you're using Microsoft operating system. You're not using Linux. Okay, because Linux, to learn Linux, right, we require what here? Good command knowledge, right? But Microsoft is very easy, graphical, and friendly user operating system. So that's why the in the cloud also, guys, the Microsoft services, cloud services are very easy, guys, compared to learning other clouds, right? Compared to the AWS, compared to the Google, compared to the VMware, compared to the IBM, the Microsoft services are very easy, guys. And almost you can see the companies now, if you go to any market, if you have big companies, guys, you can go HP, you can go to the Mindtree, Tech Mahindra, TCS, and their projects, cloud projects, are running on Microsoft Azure, guys. So I'm taking the help of Microsoft Azure. But what is Microsoft Azure, guys? Microsoft Azure is having resources. Microsoft Azure is a service which is providing cloud resources to me. So what is cloud resources, guys? Means in the cloud, in the Azure data center, guys. In Azure data center, you can find all the services. Means on premises in my organization, I'm not maintaining any server, guys. So all the services are available in the cloud. Is available in the cloud, guys. So it means I want some servers that is available in the cloud. I want some switches that is available. I want some routers in the cloud that is available, guys. Some data centers I want that is available, guys. Storage I want that is available. Web servers are available. Okay. So guys, what I'm doing here, I'm not deploying the network in my organization, in my on-premises. I'm not having any server, guys. So assume this is my office. Assume this is my Hyderabad office. I'm not having any server. Just I'm keeping the client machines. My users are using laptop, desktop to log in to start the job. But guys, to allow the user to log in here, we require servers. We require database servers. We require storage servers here to allow the user to access. So guys, in this network, in my on-premises, all these machines are connected by the help of the switch, and these are the clients. But as administrator, what I'm doing, I'm giving company, sir, to save the money, the right? On our demand, we can increase, we can decrease the servers. So as administrator, I'm going to create the network in the cloud. So I'm taking the Microsoft data center, guys. Okay, I'm creating the servers here. So right now I'm making one server, Active Directory and DNS. These two services are running. So this machine is called my domain controller, guys. And all the user accounts are available here. Now these users, this on-premises network and the cloud, and how these users are going to log into my client machine, and how the user is going to connect to cloud by using internet. Just we require what here? Internet connectivity, guys. We require WAN. Now you also connected to internet. I am also connected to internet, guys. Okay, so when these users are logged into this client machine, guys, the request will go to cloud server, right? And my cloud server will give authentication to the clients, then successfully user can log in. But in future, my boss is saying, we want one web server, guys. So can I, in the cloud, guys, on our request, on our demand, can we create one new server, guys? Can I create one web server, guys? Yes, we can create. In future, my boss is saying we require one file server also, storage server. So we require one file server. Can you create file server? Yes, guys. So in future, my boss is saying, sir, our requirement is what here? We require one SAP server, SAP server. Can you create the SAP server? Yes, we can create the SAP server. But after some time, guys, in the SAP server, I'm using estimate 8 GB RAM. But my performance has become very slow here. I found that when my users are connecting to the SAP server, when my user accessing SAP service, so performance is slow. So I want to increase the hardware of SAP server, guys. I want to increase 8 GB RAM to 32 GB RAM. I want to increase 4 processors to 16 processors because my business is grow, right? Day by day is growing. Number of users are connecting. So I mean, increase the hardware. Can we increase, guys, in the cloud? Yes, anytime you can increase your hardware, guys. Anytime you can increase your hardware, you can decrease your hardware, right? This option is available. So now, guys, my servers are available in the cloud. My users are logging to my Hyderabad office from this client machine. My Active Directory server will give authentication. Now, guys, my user can access web server. Yes. My user can access file server also. Yes. My user can access this SAP server. Yes, guys, it's available here. Okay. So this many features are available, guys, here. So this is called what here? Cloud. So cloud is providing what, guys, is allowing to you to access the resources over the internet by center, guys. Okay. So guys, we are taking the help of this cloud providers to connect to create the service. So the cloud is providing some features, guys, here. This here, the cloud is providing some features. So what are the features are available in the cloud, guys? So when you're connecting here, so now tell me, guys, this is easy for you to create your network, deploy your service in the cloud compared to the physical network, compared to the on-premises network, guys. Just now we have seen here on-premises, we are designing the network by physical servers. And here so many things are there, guys. So now tell me, guys, now you require any physical server now? No. We require any operating system? No, everything is available in the cloud, guys. You can select anyone. You are saying in one server I require 2012 OS, that is available. In one server you require 16, that is available. You're saying in one server we require Linux, that also is available, guys. And the network switches are available. Cabling, we no need to worry. We no need to worry about firewalls also, because secure data is there. ACs, power supply, we no need to generators, we no need to worry about. So means we are not right. We no need to deploy these services. These services are available in the cloud. Just we have to use these services and create a network. And this network is called what here? Pay as you go model, guys. This technology is called what here? Pay as you go. Means what? Guys, how many hours you're running these servers? How many minutes you're running? Right now the competition is there, guys. Companies are giving minutes also. Previously the companies are charging per hour. Per hour they are charging the server charges, guys. But now the companies are competition is there in the market. The companies are saying you can go for per minute also. That feature also is available, guys, here. So it means if I'm running my server for 8 hours, guys, so how much amount we have to pay? Only for 8 hours, right? And after my project example, after some time, guys, my project is completed. I don't want these servers. Can I remove these servers, guys, on my demand? Yes, I can remove the servers. When the new project is coming, guys, can you create the new network? Can you create the new servers with new technology, with new high-end servers? We can configure. Yes, you can configure. And anytime, guys, you can increase the hardware. You can upgrade the servers. That feature also is available, guys. So the cloud is providing some characteristic, guys, here. So what are the cloud characteristics are there, guys? We are going to see here. The cloud is providing these features. So the first feature in the cloud, guys, we are going to get, that is called all the services are on demand. This demand is called self-service, guys. This is called what here? Self-service. Okay, Amit. If you're not catching me, if I'm going fast, guys, please. If I'm going fast, if you're not getting my point, guys, so please tell to me. I will repeat once again for you, or I will make myself slow here. Okay. And if you're not getting any point anywhere, so write in the chat box, repeat once again. I will repeat for you, guys. Okay. Reddy is asking some question. So you can select your hardware, your own hardware. You can customize your hardware. Okay, you can customize your hardware, right? Anytime. You no need to note all these things, guys. If you want, you can take the photo also, or I'm going to send the recording also, right? After the class is completed, you will get one recording copy, right? You will repeat it, and then you can note down your notes. You can mention your notes, guys. Okay. So, guys, cloud is having self-service. Means this is one feature we are getting in the cloud, self-service. Then second is, guys, the cloud is a broad network service also, you can say. Or you can say cloud is a broad network access also, you can say. Better to write here access stuff service here. And the third feature we are getting in the cloud, guys, we have scalability feature. And the fourth option, guys, we have resource pooling feature. This is available, guys, in the cloud. And the fifth feature, guys, measure services, guys. These are the 5 basic features we have in the cloud, guys. If you go to any cloud provider, you can find these 5 features. First feature is what? On self-service demand, guys. So it means, guys, like we created one Gmail account, guys. Now you created Gmail account in Hyderabad, but you have to be there in Hyderabad always to access this Gmail account, guys. No, right? You can access from your laptop, you can access from your office, you can access from your home anytime, guys, right? You can send, you can receive the mails, guys. That feature is available. The same thing, just now I've given the example in the cloud, right? Anytime you can increase this, you can add the servers, you can decrease the servers, guys, right? You can add the hardware, you can decrease the hardware. that feature is available. And anytime you can run the servers, and if you feel nighttime your business is not there, guys, you can shut down this service. Okay, so in future, guys, I want one mail server, email server. So take one new computer, and for this project, guys, you can create one email server. So on single click, guys, on your single request here, you will get the new servers. This feature is available. So that is called self-service on demand. The next feature is, guys, what here? We have broad network access. Broad network access means you can access this network, your private network, from anywhere, guys. You can access this network from anywhere. So it's not compulsory, guys. You have your users should in office. Maybe your users are sitting in home, right? Or maybe you are the admin. Today you're sitting in home. You want to access your servers. Can you access? Yes. Maybe today you're sitting in your Hyderabad office. Can you access your servers? Yes. Maybe next day you're sitting in your guys in your other branch, like in USA, you are sitting. Can you access your servers? Yes. Right? Can you add something? Can you remove something? Yes, guys. So this feature is available. Just what we need here, we require internet connectivity, guys. We require what here? Internet connectivity. So then users are sitting in on-premises, are requesting to the servers to access service, and all these services are available in front of the users, and user can access all these services, guys. This feature is available. And the second thing is what, guys, here we have scalability, means anytime you can increase these servers, guys, anytime you can decrease these servers, guys. So on your demand, right? In future, you are feeling that your email servers is having 4 GB RAM right now, guys, but you want 8 GB RAM or 16 GB RAM. Can you increase? Yes. And right now your email server is running on 4 GB process, 4 gigahertz processor, guys. Okay, but you feel that this processor is not enough. We require more 2 processors. You want to add 2 more processors. Can we add 2 more processors? Yes, guys, we can add. And in future, guys, in your web server, you already running one website, so you want to create one more website, guys. Can you create one more second website? Yes, you can create anytime. And in your Active Directory server, guys, you created some user accounts, you want to create more 100 user accounts. Can we create? Yes. You want to add some new services, you want to apply some policies, group policies. Can we apply? Yes, guys, we can apply. So this feature is available, guys. So anytime you can increase, you can decrease the servers, you can decrease the hardware and services. This feature is available. And the last one, guys, here, that is very, very important, that is measured services. Measured services means what here? Monitoring the traffic, guys, because all these users accessing our services in the cloud, right? So monitor that. So who is connected to our server? Who is accessing what services, guys? This is we want. So example, assume it today the Flipkart has given the offer, right? 30% or 50% discount is there when you're connecting, when you're accessing, when you're purchasing something from the Flipkart website. So, but after some time, the Flipkart want to monitor how many girls, how many boys are connected to, and which right, how many mobiles are sale, how many shoes are sale, how many products, some sport products are sale, guys, right? So they want to do monitoring. But here we are taking the example of Flipkart. But here we are going to monitor what? Servers, right? And we are going to monitor here in measuring. We are going to monitor servers. We are going to monitoring billing also, guys, because these services are not free of cost. Okay, these services are paid services. So we have to know, if I create 2 servers, how much cost we are paying, and on these 2 servers I'm using public IP. What is the cost? If I'm using storage, what is the cost here? Right? How we are going to pay that? So we have to monitor, and whether this is running or not, healthy running or not, guys. So we are going to see this one. And the next thing is what here? Fourth one here. You can see here resource pooling here. What is the meaning of resource pooling here? Resource pooling means collection of servers, collection of resources are available in one place, guys. So example, pool means a big area, guys, right? Everything is available there, right? And you can access according to your requirement, guys. You can access here. Okay. So in the data center, guys, in data centers, when I'm saying here using the word data centers, in data centers, we have servers, we have services, we have public IPs, we have storage, we have web servers. So on your demand, you can add, you can decrease, you can take, right, according to a requirement. You can increase your servers, you can decrease the servers, guys, here. Okay, so here, guys, resource pooling means what here? Collection of, you can say servers, or better to use this word, guys, resources. Resources means everything will come here, that is in the cloud, in one place you're accessing, guys, here. Okay, this is one. And guys, here I have one question here. If I'm going for storage, guys, here, resources, right? If I'm going for storage here, So guys, in the cloud, we can create the storage server also, right? So on your demand, you can add the storage services, database servers, and you can reduce the servers. So on storage pooling, guys, I will give you one example here. Assume it you have your mobile. You're using mobile. In mobile, you have storage. Nowadays, we are not using mobile only for making call, receiving the calls. We are using the storage. So example, in mobile, we have two types of storage. I have 1 GB, 8 GB storage, and this is called my external storage, guys, like memory card, like that. And in mobile, guys, we have 16 GB memory also. And the 16 GB memory is what? Internal, guys, which is mobile storage here. So guys, here, so total how much storage is available? Can you say? In this example, can you say how many store? How much? 24? Okay, if you have 24 GB file, example, can you store a single file? Can you store? No, guys. Why? Because 8 GB separate and 16 GB. But try to understand, when you connect, when you're on first time your mobile, when you insert the mobile SIM, is asking the question. You want to make this 18 GB as a internal memory? You want to use as an internal memory or as a external memory? So if I say internal memory, guys, if I say internal memory, so it will become pool here. So what is pool? 8 GB plus 16 GB. Now it will become how much? 24. So now I can store the a single file as a 24 GB, guys. But actually it's two different. External is internal is different. But if I say I want to use this 8 GB as an internal memory, and this is happening only first time, guys, when you're connecting memory card first time to your machine, when you're on first time your mobile, that time is asking this question. You want to use this memory as an internal or external, guys. So I'm saying internal here. So it will become what? 24. So I will get 24 GB. So I can store the data. So this 24 GB will become what here? Internal storage. I can store the data up to 8 GB here, guys. Okay, so this is called pooling. So pooling means what? Is a collection of settings, right? Is a collection of servers, collection of data is available, guys, you can access. So in the cloud, guys, we have this many services. Now second thing is, guys, sorry. So resources means what? Servers, services, network devices, IP address, web servers, storage. All these things is called what here? Resources here. So guys, so all these things where we can find, all these resources where we can find in data center, guys. We can find in data centers. So every nowadays, guys, these companies, Amazon, this company that is called what here? Microsoft, Azure, right? Google, right? And these companies are having their own Microsoft, they have their own data centers, guys. They have their own data centers. So what data center contain, guys? We are using the data centers to store the storage, guys, here. So guys, a data center is a collection of resources. You can say collection of servers, collection of services, collection of operating system, collection of network is available in data center, guys. So the Microsoft is saying here, we have a data centers, right? All over the world, guys, they have a data centers, and you can use this data center to store your data. So guys, Microsoft Azure is providing what service? So if anyone is asking what is Microsoft Azure, you have to say Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing service which is created by Microsoft, is owned by Microsoft to build, to test, to deploy, to manage your applications in the cloud, guys, right? And through global network of managing Microsoft data center. So through internet, guys, you can access all these services. That feature is available. But guys, when the word is coming data center, so how the Microsoft data center look like, guys? And guys, in India also, like in Mumbai, we have a data center. Microsoft data center is there. And what is the size of one data center, guys? So the size of one data center is near to a football ground field size, guys. A football ground size is there. Like that much size, one data center is there. And in this data center, you can keep number of servers. So guys, how these servers are going to place? Like a laptop, desktop, I can keep anywhere, but servers we cannot keep anywhere. We require racks, big racks. So to keep this server, we require racks. So these big racks are there, 6-foot racks are there, guys. In these racks, we are going to place the physical servers. We are going to place the physical servers. In one rack, guys, if I'm not wrong, Maybe you can place near to 12 servers, guys, in one 6-foot rack. You can place near to 12 servers, right? And these are the physical servers. And guys, whenever as an administrator, so when I'm deploying the servers in the cloud, so my servers are going to store in this physical server as a virtual machine, guys, as a virtual machine. Is going to store in the as a virtual machine. So when I'm creating as admin in the cloud, when I'm creating the servers, it's going to create as a virtual machine. Means whatever the services we are accessing, that is a cloud services here, guys. Okay, as a VM service we are accessing. So guys, you can take a look here. This is Microsoft data center, guys. You can see here in this Microsoft data center, you can see here this many servers are there, this many services are available, guys, here. So this is one server data center. We have big rack. In these racks you can find multiple physical servers, and all these physical servers are connected to each other, guys. We have good connectivity, good internet connectivity. We have good networks, switches are available, guys. Public IPs are available. High bandwidth internet feature services are available in this data center, guys. Centers are available, guys, world in the Microsoft data centers. Okay, so we have good connectivity. All these are there. Cooling system is there. Power supply, uninterrupted power supply is available, guys. Anytime, day and night, you can wake up, you can access your servers from anywhere. Just you need in your site, you need one internet connectivity, guys, here. Okay, these are the data centers here. So the question is what here? In this race, I already told that there are so many companies are there in this cloud race, guys. Okay, so one is what? Microsoft. So Microsoft actually started very late, guys. You can, if you believe or not, Microsoft started their cloud services very late. In this race, right, there are so many cloud providers are there, like example Amazon. Amazon is a big player, guys, in this one. In short, you can say AWS service also, Amazon Web Service. The Amazon started their cloud services in the year of 2006, guys. In the year of 2006 year, the Amazon started their services. Okay, and Google started their services in the year of 2008 year, guys. Google started their services, and Microsoft started very late, guys, in the year of 2010. In the years of 2010, but guys, that time the public is not aware about this service, or Microsoft is having a cloud service. The companies are using Microsoft's operating system on physical servers to run their servers on premises, guys. But Microsoft started this service in the year of 2010, but companies are using Microsoft service from 2014, guys, from the year of 2014, because that time the Microsoft has redesigned their whole network, and they have given big good services, and the Microsoft is giving the great competition to these other companies, guys, because you can see it. This company is also giving same services, Google, IBM, Amazon, and Azure also, Microsoft Azure also giving same services, but the difference is what here? Microsoft operating system services are graphical, guys, friendly user graphical, one. Second thing, and Microsoft operating system is compatible with all worldwide services and operating services and features, guys. So that's why 95% of the companies in the world, right, are running their servers smoothly by using Windows operating system, Microsoft. So the companies are moving to the Azure. And Microsoft is, guys, when I'm teaching this course in the year last from I have nearly 10 years experience, guys. I work on 2003 environment, I work on 2012, 8 and 2008, 2012, 2016 environment, guys. I'm working in cloud. So from last 5 years, I'm observing, guys, here. In the year of 2018, the Microsoft is having less data centers, like hardly 18 data centers, guys, only 18 data centers. But now the Microsoft has become number one in this market, in this race. Sometime the Amazon business is very number one, guys. Sometime Microsoft Azure business is very good, guys, here. But almost these companies are giving same services, but you have to go for pricing, because in the market this service is not free of cost. When you're running a big network, big organization network, guys, pricing also is mattering here. So we have to check who's giving the best price to you, right? And these services are very easy and configurable and accessible. You can go. So in this course, we are learning Microsoft Azure, guys. But some of the students will ask, which is better one? I have to go to Microsoft Azure or I have to go to the Amazon? Guys, it's depend on your choice. You want to become what? You want to become Amazon cloud administrator, or you want to go to Microsoft administrator, Azure administrator? Example, my company requirement is what Amazon is using, so I will go to the Amazon, guys. Assume your company requirement is what Microsoft Azure. Project is on Microsoft Azure. You can go to Microsoft Azure. But one of my friend is there. My friend company is having both projects. Company A is running their project on Amazon. Company B is running on Azure. And your boss is saying you are the alone, you manage it. So not tell me guys, you will become expert in this technology or not. If you learn both guys, if you learn both, I'm not saying go to only AWS or go to the Microsoft Azure, because in the market competition is there guys. These companies are giving the same services guys. These companies are seeing out here same services, right? You can go for both, right? Learn both courses, AWS also and Microsoft Azure also. Or what is your requirement guys, right? Your requirement is Microsoft Azure, learn Microsoft Azure only, right? And get the job. And in this field guys, nowadays you can see almost 30% of the companies already moved to the cloud. Really, next coming 2 years or 3 years guys, almost the companies are moving to the cloud here, right? There's because the cloud is cheaper, right? Almost all the services are available in the market. And how we are running the physical service in the on-premises, the cloud servers, virtual machines also running like this. All the cloud services like a physical service. Just we have to know the technology, how to configure, how to maintain, how to manage. And guys, after completing MCSE course, when you're applying for the jobs as system admin, compulsory the company will ask this question: are you know cloud? Or you know how to create these servers in the cloud? You're creating the service in the on-premises guys, but the same service we want in the cloud guys, right? So we'll discuss ready regarding the certification also. Just you have to wait for a few minutes guys. I will come to the certification, what other certifications are available in the Microsoft Azure guys. Okay, so remember here guys, this Microsoft Azure started in the year of 2014 guys. But in the year of, you can see here, in 2010 when Microsoft started, the service name is Windows Azure. But in 2014 guys, when Microsoft redesigned this service, and that time Microsoft has changed the name Microsoft Azure guys. So previously the service is called Windows Azure, but now it's called what here? Microsoft Azure here guys. Now guys, if you believe or not, the Microsoft guys, in 2018 there have only 18 data center guys. In the year of 2018 they have only 18 data center, or less than 18 data centers guys, you can say. But now check in 2020, in the 2 years, how many data centers Microsoft is having. So now you can see here, the Microsoft has increased their data centers worldwide guys. So you can see this is a world map, and these blue dots, every blue dot is called one data center guys, in one data center. So you can see here, if I go to here, India, we have 3 data centers. One is South India, one is Central India, one is in West India guys. Like in Middle East also guys, we have data center in Qatar, in UAE. Now UAE having 2 data centers here guys. Previously it's having 1 data center. In 2019 one more data center is increased. And you can see guys, in your Europe countries also we have 1 data center here. Okay, in USA also guys, you can see here we have a data center here. You can see the clear picture here. So if you go to the USA guys, you have so many data centers. In Canada also, in US country also guys here. In Europe also we have so many data centers here. In German also we have data centers. In Middle East we have data centers. In India guys, we have 3 data centers. One is in South India, one is in Central India, and one is a West India guys. And in China also we have. So guys, this is called regions guys. Actually here, this is called what here? Regions. So we can say data centers, but actually we have to say over here regions. Okay, South India is one region. Try to understand please here. South India is one region. So now tell me guys, in South India, one region, only one data center is there guys. Yes, in Qatar also, you can say in Qatar Central, we have 1 data center. Now, recently the Microsoft started 1 data center in Qatar, Muhammad. Okay, so guys, I'm talking about one region. So now tell me South India is one region. Okay, South India is one region. So it means in South India, we have only 1 data center guys? No guys. In South India, maybe example, we have 3 data centers guys. How many data centers? 3. One is in example in Hyderabad. Assume one is in Secunderabad, and assume one is in some other place like 50 kilometers or 30 kilometers far away. Example in Shamshabad here. Okay, we have 3 data center. So example, as admin, when I'm deploying my server is available in Hyderabad data center. Okay, so my VM is running Hyderabad data center. So guys, what about In future, if the Hyderabad data center is down, maybe some power fluctuation is there, internet connectivity is not there, then what? You no need to worry, guys. You can find the same server in Secunderabad or in Shamshabad also, guys, is available. So this is called high availability. This feature is called what here? High availability, guys. So microservicing, we have availability option, right? It's called high availability. So we are providing here high availability feature. So if one of the data center by any reason, guys, maybe some earthquake is there in Hyderabad, or maybe some flood is there, or maybe any reason is there, if the server is down, guys, we no need to worry. You can find the same data VM in Secunderabad, you can run. Or maybe, guys, in future, if the South India region is totally down, so example, South India region is down, example, some earthquake, tsunami type problem is there, guys. So if the South India data center is totally down, all these data centers of South India is down, then what? You no need to worry, guys. You can find the same servers is available in West India, or maybe you can keep the server, example, one server in South India, one server in West India, guys. Sorry, US, Central US, guys. One is in Central US, one is South India. If South India data center is down, you can, right, you can tell to the clients, still you can connect to your servers from Central USA, guys. You can. So this is called high availability, guys. So the microservice is providing this feature, what? High availability. Okay, this feature is available. So you can see, guys, here, the Microsoft now is having worldwide 60 plus regions, 60 plus regions, guys, day by day. Maybe in next year, guys, this number will increase to 70 here. Okay, and around, guys, in 140 countries, Microsoft is having their own data centers. Now, what is data center? Data center is called one region, right? South India is one region. You can say West India is one region, guys. So what is region? Region is a collection of data centers and providing flexibility and scalability. Means anytime you can increase, you can decrease the server's hardware is available. And preserve data residence, guys. Residency. So it means what? If one of the VM is down, guys, you no need to worry, right? You can on the second VM. You have two VMs. If one of the VM is down, you can run your VM in other server or other physical server in the same data center is allowed to you to access. And select the region close, nearest to close to you, guys. As an administrator, which is the nearest data center, you can select, guys. How to select? I will show you. How to know your nearest data center, guys. Be aware of the region deployment availability, guys. So you have to check in all regions availability feature is available or not, because in some regions, just now Microsoft started one region, Qatar. In Qatar, maybe high availability feature is not there, guys. But it's not compulsory, guys. You are in Qatar, you have to take the data center of Qatar only to create your servers. You can take any region, guys. You can configure your server in any region. So example, my business in Hyderabad, guys, but I want to take the Central USA data center to configure, and one server I want to create in Central USA, guys. One server I want to create in West Europe, guys. Can we create? Yes, you can create. Just you require one internet connectivity, good bandwidth, guys. You can access your servers here. You can create. And guys, next is what? These servers, there are globally service that regions are independently, guys. So all the regions are running independently. You can go, you can configure n number of servers, and there is no restriction. And regions are paid for high availability. So paid means what here, guys? All these regions are connected physically to each other, guys. You connected to internet, I also connect to internet, we are connected to internet, we are accessing this class, guys. We are taking the class. But how these data centers, because we have very number of data center, how these data centers are connected, guys? These data centers are connected by the help of Microsoft internet connectivity. Microsoft is having their own internet connectivity, guys. They have their own fiber cables. So by the help of that, these data centers are connected to each other, guys. These regions are connected here, and there are speed. The fiber is speed, internet speed is high bandwidth speed they are using to connect these servers, guys, here. So this is the what is a region, guys. If anyone is asking what is cloud, what is a region, you can give this answer, guys, here. So today, guys, we are starting here Microsoft Azure. But guys, how to select the nearest region? I want to know what is my nearest region. So very simple option is there, guys. Microsoft has given. You have to search here Azure speed test, guys. So we have one website, Azure speed test. So by the help of this Azure speed test, guys, you can check your nearest region, guys. So go to this one, and you can, in interview, it will ask this question, guys, how to check which is my nearest region. So you can give the answer, guys. So you can go to the Azure speed test, and you can check here which is your nearest region here. So you can see here almost all the regions are available, is categorized by specific. You can see Asia specific, America specific, Europe, guys. So I will go for Asia specific, guys. Check this box. Or in that, where you want to check, South India, West India, or Central India, which is, or I don't know which is my nearest here. So check this box. this one, check the box and come down. Just wait for a few minutes, maybe 5-6 minutes. If you wait, it will give you the calculation which is your nearest region, guys, here. So lowest latency is your nearest region, guys. So you can see South India is in Chennai, Central India is in where, Pune, guys, and you can see here West India in Mumbai, guys. So we have these 3 data centers is nearest to us. Or you can check one more website is there, guys, speed test 2.0, guys. This also you can use, is helpful for you to check. If you go to the speed test version 2.0, is giving the best result to you, guys. So you can see almost is calculating your nearest with your flag. Country flags also is available. It's look like good, guys. So you can see nearest is what here. My nearest region is what here, South India or West India, guys, here. If I wait for a few minutes, it will give the answer, which is your nearest data center. Okay. And you can see when this data center are designed also, guys. If you come down here also, guys, you can see here. If you go to India, so you can see in India, Pune is there, data center Chennai is there, and Mumbai is there. And this data center are designed in 2012 year, guys. Sorry, 2015 year. This is time, and almost this data center is having high availability features also is available, guys, here. And almost all services are offering microservicing. All services are there. You can go and you can design your network, guys. This feature is available here. Okay, but guys, in the market, what is the demand of this Microsoft Azure, right, guys? Nowadays, if you check the market, competition is there, and every company is saying we require system administrator to manage on-premises. We require system administrator to manage the cloud also, because our servers, we are deploying our servers in the cloud. We are deploying all the servers in the cloud, guys. So we require Azure administrator also. So guys, how to become Azure administrator? What are the pre-requirements to learn these classes, guys? If you want to learn Microsoft Azure, what is the pre-requirement, guys? So guys, the pre-requirement is what? To learn the Azure, the requirement is what? You require knowledge of MCSE, guys. Microsoft MCSE, you can say. Maybe you already done course on 2012 or 2008, guys, or 2016, right? You require MCSE knowledge on servers. Like here, we require some Active Directory knowledge. We require some user knowledge and designing the servers knowledge you require here. Okay. The next requirement is what here? You require virtualization knowledge, guys. Okay, you require a little bit virtualization, but if you're not having, no need to worry, guys. I'm going to teach you what is virtualization here. Okay, I will show you what is virtualization. This is required, and we require a basic knowledge of networking also, guys. A basic knowledge of networking. What is network? Types of network. Like basically we have types of network, guys. LAN, MAN, WAN, IP addressing knowledge, right? You have learned in MCSE, in Linux, in CCNA. You have learned, guys, right? So these are the pre-requirement, guys. Okay, just you require this knowledge. If you have this knowledge, that is sufficient, guys. Okay, or maybe a platform is Windows, or maybe a platform is what here? Linux, guys. You no need to worry, because Microsoft is supporting to all operating system. If you're saying you are the Linux administrator, you can do this course. If you're saying you are the Microsoft system administrator, you can do this course, guys. This is for you here. So these are the pre-requirement here. Next is, guys, regarding our course, guys. Our course, after completing this course, we can say we are ourselves as a Microsoft Azure administrator, guys. Right, and this is a course, and our course code is what? Every course is having code AZ104, guys. Now, what is this AZ104? Within few minutes, I will explain to you this, guys. But if anyone is asking, sir, what is our certification? That is called AZ104. If you do this course, guys, right, you will become what? Microsoft Azure administrator. And our course is 15 days course, guys. Our course is what here? 15 days. And guys, today we started this course on September 38th, guys, and we are going to end this session on October 14th here. Okay, so mostly, guys, our classes are from Monday to Saturday. Our classes are Monday to Saturday, but if in case, guys, if some topics are, I'm feeling the topics are not complete, because sometimes theory will take more time, practicals are less, guys. So if I find that that classes are maybe number of hours are shortaging here, so I will keep the classes on Sunday also, guys. Okay, but before that I will update to you, right? Before 1 day or 2 days I will update you whether this Sunday, next Sunday, we have a session or not, guys. Okay, so be ready for our classes on Sundays also, guys, here, right? Mostly we are going to take the class Monday to Saturday, but if in the case, right, I will go to the Sunday also, guys. But before that I will update to you. This is one. And guys, our classes are timings are, you already know this timings is what here, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. guys. Okay, in Indian timing, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. So it means our classes are 2-hour classes, guys. So daily we have 2-hour class. Okay, this is the class timing. Okay, and in these 2 hours, guys, I will teach you the theory. I will give you the examples. I will give you the concept of the topics, guys. What are the topic we are going to cover? And guys, I will teach you that. I will show you the labs also, guys, because the labs are very, very important, guys. Because you can pass the interview, guys, but to pass the interview, to pass the exams, and to work in real time, guys, we require practice on labs. We require good knowledge in the labs, guys. With hands of labs practice, guys, then only you can survive in the market here. And guys, whatever the labs I'm going to show you, all these labs are online labs, guys. All these labs are online because the course is, this Azure is online, right? And all these labs are real-time labs, guys. All these labs are what? Real-time. Example. In the class, I will show you how to create the virtual machine. In the class, I will show you how to create the storage. And one of my students is asking the code. One of the students is asking the question here. Sir, in the class, we have learned how to create the VM, how to create the users in Azure, how to create the storage, how to create the load balancers, how to give the public IP to machine. If the machine is problem is there, how to troubleshoot. So guys, in the real time, if your boss is saying create one new virtual machine in the cloud, so how are you going to create, guys? You're going to follow the same step which I have shown in the class or not, which we have learned in the class. If your boss is saying, sir, your company requirement is 2 storages, so how are you going to configure the storage, guys? The same steps you have to follow what I'm going to show in the class here, the same steps. So it means what? All these labs are real-time labs, guys. All these labs are online and all these labs are real-time. I will show you guys how to create one account, Azure account, because before Azure, without creating Azure account, you cannot start your production, guys. You cannot start your servers, you cannot create the servers. So how to create the Azure account? So guys, in your boss is saying, sir, we want one Azure account because your company is new, you want to create one Azure account. So the same step you have to follow when you're creating the accounts. So guys, whenever I'm showing the practicals, right, so when I'm showing the labs here, all these labs are real time, guys. So in these labs, I will show you in 2 hours, guys. I will show theory, I will give you some example to understand this topic, guys, services, and then I will show you the labs also. But one more thing, guys, so many students will ask this question, sir, troubleshooting. Troubleshooting. What is troubleshooting, guys? Problem. When you face the problem, when you face the error, right? So if you resolve that problem, that is called troubleshooting, guys. So here I will show you how to do the troubleshooting, how to monitor your VMs are running or not, your storage are running, your servers are running in the cloud or not, right? Problem, any questions, guys, here? If you have any problem, any questions, right? If you have any problem, I'm going to resolve this issues, okay? So troubleshooting also I will teach you guys here in this class. Shall we cover ASK? What is ASK? I don't know. Manas, Rajan.
It is Azure Kubernetes service.
Azure Kubernetes service. First of all, Azure Kubernetes service, I will tell you the theory. Okay. But if the time is there, I will show you the practical also. Because in the exam is asking only theory topics. It's not asking the complete labs there. Okay. What we are learning the course here.
Because in age 104 that is the topics are there.
In 10 topics are there. I will show you the topics also to you. But in 104, 1 or 2 questions are going to come in Kubernetes. What is Kubernetes? How to use Kubernetes, right? That I will show you. Okay, no problem. That we'll cover it. So guys, here this is what the next in this course, guys. We require some documents. I will share you the documents also. We have some documents. I will share the documents. I will show you the lab manuals also, guys. Because you, by seeing this recording, you can do the labs. But some of the students will say, sir, we require some steps, right, to perform, or some screenshots to perform these labs. Yes, I will give you guys this one. And guys, second thing, big advantage you will get in other institutes you will not get. That is called what here? Recording, guys, here. So this class I'm recording for you guys, right? This class I'm recording, and all the classes I will record for you. And after the recording is done, guys, after the class is done, within some couples of hours, guys, you will get recording here, right? And that's I'm saying here, ready. I'm going to show you material here, and that material is what here? Some documents are there, some Azure books are there, some interview questions are there, right? Some in that papers are there, right? And lab manual screenshots are available, guys. And recording also I'm sharing with you, class recording. I'm sharing class recording, right? I'm sharing the recording of the class with you on your registered email ID. You will get, guys, here. Okay. But to share the recording, one issue is there, guys, because I don't know today your details. I don't know your details, right? I don't know your email, mobile number to send, or I don't know your email addresses to send, guys. So what I decided to hear, right? So I need your information, guys. I need your information. So how are you going to share your information with me, guys? So I created one page here. So I'm sharing this page with you, guys. So this is for Azure. Actually, it's a small form I'm giving for Azure, guys, here. Uh, so we can see on the screen. Uh, you can see, guys, this is one small form is there. So this is a, you can copy this. I'm copying this website link in the chat box also, guys. This is for recording for you, guys. Okay, don't create any group here. Will not require any group, because in the group we are not going to send you. My management will not send, actually. Okay, so guys, you can see here I'm sending one link to you. You can see in the chat box, and copy this link in the from the chat box to your browser, guys. One page will open. This is called a small form is there. So fill this form. If you fill this form, guys, you will get the recording. Otherwise, you will not get the recording here. Okay. So if anyone is need a recording, guys, just go to the browser, open your browser, guys, and paste this link, guys. This is one which I have already shared in the chat box. Everyone, please, it will take 1 minute time, guys. You can do it now with me. So this link I have shared in the chat box. Did you receive, guys, in the chat box? Please see the link is there. This link is there, guys, in the chat box. So you can paste and hit enter. You will get one Zoom form here. This is my Azure recording, guys, here. This is form. In this form, what you have to do, you have to write your name. Very simple is there, guys. So write your name. Example, name is Ahmed. Write your email address, guys. And this email address, please give me the Google, guys. Gmail email address. Give the Gmail address. So example, this is my Gmail address here. And give your contact number, guys. Like your contact number, mobile number. And guys, here you have to select you are an existing student of Zoom. So here select no here, because you're not existing student of Zoom here. Select no here. And in the bottom, guys, is asking if you are an existing student of Zoom, please give your Zoom ID. So right now you're not having any Zoom ID, guys. So in place of this here, guys, in this last line, your answer. So please write here, uh, requesting for, guys, requesting for Azure recording here. Okay, just write these details and click on submit, guys. Here click on submit. So once you click submit, guys, I will get these details, your details, in my database. So on this registered email address which you're providing here, guys, on this address will share you the recording, guys, here. Okay, so it will take 1 minute time, guys. So please, I'm giving 1 minute to you, right? Fill this form now, do it now. It's easy for you. So after the class is completed, you will get the recording. Please do it now, everyone. So I'm giving 1 minute. I'm pausing this recording, guys. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay, do it now. After done, please give me a message in the chat box. You're done. Okay, good, very good, Zubair. And in the bottom, guys, your existing student, you have to say no and just write in the bottom requesting for Azure recording. Good, ready. You don't need to fill that this form daily. You have to fill only once today. Okay, we'll keep your email IDs. We'll send you the recording on that email address only. And this email address, please give Gmail. It's done, everyone. Okay. Yes, I will share you my contact number also. Just please wait for a few minutes here. So, guys, you have filled the form. If you once you finished, guys, you have to submit. So we'll get the email addresses here. Then we'll send you the recording to you guys. Okay. So almost everyone has done this one. And the second thing is, guys, here, if you have any problem in the sessions login or any problem is there, guys, so I will share you the contact number, my management, you can contact and you can complain that, right? If you have any login problem, any issues with passwords. So guys, second thing is what here, this course is a Azure administration course, AZ104 paper number is there, guys. This is one. And the second thing is what here, guys, here you have to go for registration. And this class is a first day class. We have given the chance to attend freely without any registration. But guys, from tomorrow onwards here, maybe management will not give the chance to go for registration, guys. So go for the complete registration. You have to pay the fee. So what is the fee actual, guys? So total fee with taxes, guys, actual around, you know, the fee. So 4,500 plus 18% GST is there. So total fee cost is 5,310 rupees is there, guys, in Indian rupees here, right? So you can pay this fee online also, guys. You can pay through bank, you can pay through Google Pay, right? This option is available. And guys, if you have any issue in the payments or logins, you can contact to Miss Lavanya. She is my management person. So you can contact to her, and her number I'm sharing here, guys, with you. This is WhatsApp number also. So 789 double three, guys, 99822, guys. So this is her number. If you have any issues, logins problem, or if you're unable to log in, contact to her. She will give you the answer to you. You can WhatsApp also. And apart from that, guys, I'm sharing my number also, my mobile number also I'm giving to you guys. This is my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubts, questions after the class is completed, or you're doing practical and you're facing some problems, guys, so you can WhatsApp me on this number. I will help you. I will give you the reply to you. But guys, when the class is going on, some other classes also I'm taking here, so I'm unable to give the reply to you. Just you have to wait for a few minutes or few hours. I will give you the reply back to you guys here. Okay. And if you already paid the fee, you no need to worry it, right? So whenever the links, passwords or links are changing, automatically on your email address you will get, guys. Okay, if already you paid the fees, we can continue all the classes. Okay, so this is what regarding the information. Now, guys, why the companies are moving to Microsoft Azure, guys? Because you can see Microsoft Azure, I say that is a cloud provider, and it's become number one, guys. And in the market, guys, there are so many jobs are there in this. So if you go to the market, if you search the who is the top 10 cloud providers are there in the market, guys, and this surveys happened recently, guys, in September 17 2020, guys, here recently. And you can see these cloud providers are there in the market, guys. This many cloud providers are there in the market. Amazon is there, Google is there, Salesforce is there, Azure is there, Oracle is there, IBM is there, VMware is there. But in the top 10 list, guys, you can see here Microsoft Azure is there. Or maybe sometime, don't worry, sir, don't count this number 1 and 2 here. Maybe sometime business of AWS is good. Maybe sometime Microsoft Azure, because Microsoft Azure started this service very late, guys, compared to other cloud provider, but it's become number one in the market because it's giving the great competition to the other companies. Because regarding the pricing, regarding the services, guys, compared to the other cloud providers, the Microsoft services are cheaper when you compare to the pricing, right? The Microsoft services are very cheaper, guys. This is one. And you can see here, AWS started their business in the year of 2006, guys, but Microsoft started their business in 2010, and Google started their business in 2008, guys, here. Now Microsoft is having around the world 140 data centers, guys. Still AWS is having 78 data centers, Google is having 61. And almost, guys, these companies are offering the same services. Almost these companies are saying you have computers, you have storage, you have databases, network, everything is available. Come here and configure. And the Microsoft business became day by day increasing, guys, here, because the people like with graphical OS, easy operating system. So that's why the companies are going to Microsoft Azure here. One. And the second thing is, guys, jobs. What are the jobs are available, guys? So when you're applying for the jobs, you're applying for Microsoft Azure Administrator, guys. When you're applying for the jobs here, guys, you're applying for Microsoft Azure Administrator, and you can search the jobs directly. You can go to the Tech Mahindra, you can go to the Wipro, guys, you can go to the TCS, you can apply for the jobs. This many companies are there in the market, guys. So many are there. Value Labs are there, Wipro is there, SG company is there, guys, here. Tech Mahindra is there, right? Accenture is there, guys. Tata Consult is there. Infosys are there, right? Almost the companies are giving these jobs to you. And guys, these are the new services. Remember here, these are new, and the jobs are waiting for you. And the companies are saying if you have zero experience also, but you require good knowledge in Azure. You have 1 year experience, you have good knowledge in Azure. Yes, jobs are available. So around, guys, nowadays, up to now, 23,470 jobs for administrator is available, guys. Directly you can go, you can apply in the naukri.com or directly go to the companies and you can apply for the jobs, guys. This is a available, guys. So really, this service is a new service, new technology service, guys, right? And the companies are ready to pay high salaries also, guys, compared to the system admin, network admin. The companies are saying we are ready to pay 2 times more, 3 times more. Then if you believe or not, recently my one of the student is joined to Tech Mahindra as Azure Active Directory Administrator. He's learned everything, but he want to, his requirement is what here, Active Directory Administrator. Azure Active Directory Administrator means managing the users. Now he's getting the job salary started with 6 lakhs rupees, guys, per annum. So if you have good experience, you can gain more salary also, guys. This is one option is there. Okay, these are features. Now come to the certification, guys. Then come to the course content also. I will show you guys today. Okay, what are the topics we are going to cover in this course? So compared to the certification, guys, here, our certification, actually the Microsoft has given basically 3 certifications, guys. There are 3 certifications are they very popular with Microsoft Azure when the topic is coming Azure certificates, guys. So we have there are 3 popular certificates are there. One certificate is called Azure Administrator, or you can say System Administrator also, guys. Azure Administrator, or you can say a system, because we are the administrator who is going to deploy the servers in the cloud. We have one more job, guys, that is called our software developer, guys, here. in Azure, we have a software developer certificate also, guys. It's designed for who is designing the softwares, applications, guys. For that person, so you can go for this one. And we have one more certification, guys, that is very, very famous and popular in Azure. That is called Architect, guys. So Architect job is what here? Give the best solution to the companies, guys. It's giving the best solutions, right? When the companies are coming with the project, they will contact to the architect administrator first. The architect administrator will give the best designs, best solutions, best practice to the companies. Then after, the architect administrator will handle this project to Azure system administrator, and Azure system administrator will deploy, they configure, they test the network in the cloud, guys. So these are the three certifications are there, guys. But guys, we'll see the series of the certification from the beginning also. So guys, once you do this course, you can say yourself as a Microsoft Azure administrator. And guys, in old days, when Microsoft started, so Microsoft has given very popular. There are three certificates out there, guys. Very popular. There are three certificates out there. When the Microsoft started in the year of 2010, Microsoft has given three certifications. And what is this three certification, guys? So these three certification, try to understand here. Now the certification codes are changed, but if you understand this one, easily you can understand one more. So first certification is 70532, then 70 guys 533, and third one is 70534 actually, but this name is changed. That time Microsoft will change this paper name to 70535, guys. So this 70532, guys, this 70532, this is designed for a software developer, guys. So if you're saying, sir, I'm a software developer, I have done the course SAP, I have done the course Oracle, I have done the course SQL, I'm a software developer, I'm designing the softwares. So you can go for this course, guys, here. That is called software developer. This is for deploying, testing your application in the cloud. You can go for. Now, guys, next is what 70533, and this 70533 is designed for you. So after completing MCSE course, guys, you can say yourself as a system admin, or after completing your CCNA course, guys, like CCNA, CCNP you have done, you're saying you are the administrator, this course is for you, guys, right? Or you're saying, sir, I have completed my security course, like cyber security or ethical hacking, we have completed, this course is for you, guys. So you are the security administrator. Or some of the people are saying, sir, I'm working in IT department, in IT, but in IT which department? Sir, in IT, in sales department. If anyone is saying, sir, I'm a IT sales administrator, guys, I'm an IT sales admin, this course is for you, guys. Or you can give any name, guys, but you are the administrator who is going to design, sorry, who is going to deploy, who is going to configure your on-premises servers in the cloud. So maybe you are the system admin, maybe you are the network admin, maybe you are security admin, maybe you are the IT cloud administrator. This is for you, guys. And 70533, guys, so this is for architect, guys, right? If you're saying, sir, I'm an architect administrator, so you're seeing here, I'm an architect administrator, right? So this is for you. Okay, so you're saying I'm an architect admin, right? So this is for you. You can do this course, guys, right? But guys, please remember here, if you want to become software developer or if you want to become architect developer, so compulsory first you have to do this 70533. In 70533, guys, this is a foundation course of cloud. If you learn this course, then only you can understand how you can design your softwares in the server, how you can design your network in the cloud, guys. That's what architect administrator. Okay, but the main important role is what system administrator, Azure administrator. Once you do this 70533, guys, you can say you are the Microsoft Azure administrator. You are the person who is going to deploy, design, maintaining, managing, troubleshooting the network in the cloud, guys. Here. Okay, these are the certification. But guys, remember here, this certification, whatever I'm showing, this certification, these three certifications, all this above certification, guys, all these certifications are expired, guys. This certification is expired on guys 31st December 2018, guys. These certifications are expired. In place of this this certification, guys, the Microsoft has given the new certification, and these new certifications started from guys 1st January 2019 guys. This certification started from 1st January 2019 and these certifications are called role based certification guys. These certifications are called what here? Role based certification. And here guys, the Microsoft actually is given 2 certification. Previously is only 1 certification to achieve the certificate of Azure Administrator, that is 70533 guys. But here we have to write 2 papers. Our course is on 70533 guys. So here you have to write 2 certification. So you have to write 2 certification, means 2 exams you have to write here. So these exams are Microsoft is saying AZ 100 and AZ 101 guys. So previously only 1 paper is there guys, but this paper split to 2 papers. Some of the portion is asking AZ 100, some of the portion is asking AZ 100. 101 guys. But guys, this certification guys, try to understand, this certification also is expired on from guys, this certification also is what here expire on May 1st guys, on May 1st 2019 guys. In same year this certification also expire. In place of this certification guys, Microsoft has given the new certification. In place of this one guys, Microsoft has given a new certification, and that certification only 1 paper guys. Previously we have to write 2 papers, now we have to write only 1 exam, and this exam is only 1 certificate guys, and this exam started from May 1st 2019 guys, and this certification name is AZ guys, AZ 103. Did you heard this word guys? Before 2 months back or before this month back, this paper name is AZ 103 guys. But really, if you believe or not, right, this certification guys, the Microsoft has this certification also is expired guys. This certificate also guys here expire. Okay, when is expire? Just now guys, recently here on guys here, you can say here August 38 guys. This certificate expired August 38 and 2020 guys here. Okay, this certification is expired. In place of this certification guys, the Microsoft has given the new role-based certificate guys. The Microsoft has given the new role-based certificate. The Microsoft has given the new role-based certificate here, and this certificate only 1 paper guys, and this paper now started from September 1st 2020 guys, and our paper is what here is at 104 guys. Okay, so after completing this course, you can say you have done AZ 104 guys, right? Previously it's called 103 and now it's called what here, AZ 104 here. So this is called role-based certification guys. Okay, it's clear now. So this is certification. So after completing the course, you can say I have done AZ 104 course. Previously it was 70533 guys. Okay, that is our course. So after that guys, you can go for software developer also, you can go for architecture, but guys this paper code also is changed. So this AZ 104 is previously called 70533, and guys this software developer, this paper is guys is called here now the new code is what here 203 guys, right? And this administrator certificate is what here is at 300 guys, and 2 papers you have to write if you want to become architect. One is AZ 301 guys. These 2 papers you have to write, but our course is what here AZ 104. We can say we are the administrator. What is the exam fee? Yeah, I'm coming to that one also, right? So this exam fee guys is like this. So here guys, this exam is online exam, Azure exam. AZ104 is an online exam. In exam, guys, you will get maximum 45 to 55 questions. And the paper is multiple choice paper. One question, 5 answers are there, or 4 answers, which is correct, you have to select. And the paper time limit is 2 hours, guys. Within 2 hours, you have to finish. And total marks is 1000, guys. Out of 1000, you have to get 700. 700 for pass. If you get 700, more than 700, you is pass, guys. And in India, guys, when you're writing this exam, the course fee you can see here. If you go to the website, guys, just you can search here AZ104 Microsoft Azure certification. You can see, guys, our AZ104 just now is started here. And guys, if you go for AZ104, if you complete it, we can say Azure Microsoft Administrator. And US, guys, $165 fees is there in USA. But here in India, I think it's cheaper. When you're writing this exam in India, I go here. Guys, here we have it. In India, we have to pay nearly 4,800 rupees, guys, around $80. Dollar rate is increasing, decreasing. You have to calculate, you have to pay, guys, here. Okay, so this is what fee. Now, what is our course content, guys? So, guys, in this course, we are learning what? According to the Microsoft, we are learning what is Microsoft Azure identities and governance, right? How to manage the users. Then we'll see here management and implement storage, deploying and managing Azure computer resources, configuring and managing virtual network, guys, and monitoring and backup Azure resources, guys. What are the resources we have? But apart from that, guys, here we have a Zoom also is having testing center, exam center is there, guys. If anyone interested to write this exam after the course, you can contact to me, guys, right? I will give you some question patterns papers to you, mock test papers to you, guys. By the help of that, you can come to our center, you can write the exam also, guys. Here I will book the exam from my center, right? So you can come, you can write the exam. This is what our certification, guys, here. Okay, now come to the course content. What are the course, what are the content is available, guys, here in this course? So guys, in our course, we are going to see this many topics, guys. In short, I'm explaining here. Guys, our agenda is what? To learn identities, management of users, governance and complaints, how to manage, how to create the account, right, guys, and how to apply the policies we are going to discuss here, guys, here in this course here. Without exam, guys, you can apply for the jobs, no problem there. But most of the companies' requirement also is what? Certification here. Without attending the exam center, you can write the exam. Online exam you can write. That also I will help you there. Okay, without coming to the center, you can write the exam. That option also is available, guys. But if anyone is saying, sir, exam is too difficult for me, I want your help also, that also I'm available to ready to give that. And guys, here the second thing is what? Here we're going to discuss what is Azure administration accounts. We're going to discuss what is virtual networking and how to connect on-premises network to the cloud by using inter-site connectivity, and how to create the network traffic manager by using load balancers, guys. We'll see Azure storage accounts. We'll see Azure virtual machines, how to create, and how to create web servers without any physical server, without any VMs, guys. How to create your application, how to create your web servers, websites. I will show you guys here. Then data protection, I will show you how to go for migration. Migration is very, very important, guys. You have already on-premises servers, guys. You want to migrate to the cloud, same server, same hardware configuration, same operating system, same data server in the cloud. I will show you guys how to do it. That is called Azure Migration. Because when you go to the interview, compulsory it will ask this question: how to do migration on-premises network servers to cloud, guys. Physical servers you want to move to the cloud. I will show you. Then second thing, guys, data backup, services backup, VMs backup, hard disk backup. I will show you. And monitoring on billing, on monitoring on resources servers. I will show you guys this one. And guys, our agenda is what here in this course. We are going to learn this many topics, guys. So first day I will show you what is certification, and tomorrow, guys, I will start with cloud services. In the cloud there have some services, there have types of clouds. Tomorrow I will teach you guys this one. Okay, so then I will show you guys introduction to the Azure also. Then I will show you how to create a free account. Tomorrow I will show you guys this practical, how to create Azure free account for your personal purpose, because we are learning stage, guys. We don't want to spend the money, we don't want to give any single rupee to Microsoft, but we want to use all Microsoft data center services. Almost all services I want to utilize. First, I want to test whether it's benefit for me or not. If it is okay, then I will ready to pay. I will continue with the payment. So then I will show you guys how to create a Azure account for your organization also, right? For your company. Then I will show you guys what are the types of Azure administrators are there, what are the roles are available for these administrators. Then ways to manage Azure guys, what are the methods are there, because you are not going to Microsoft data center of South India or West India, or you're not going to USA guys data center to create, design, implement servers. By sitting on your on-premises laptop guys, or maybe in office you're setting, you are connecting to data center. How to connect guys, how to add the resources, how to remove the resources, how to modify the resources, by using website that is called portal page, and by using PowerShell also guys. PowerShell is a concept guys, by the help of commands, PowerShell commands, we can manage the Azure resources that I will teach you guys here. But I'm not teaching here PowerShell separately guys, but I will show you how to use PowerShell, how to use PowerShell commands, how to understand these commands, and where we have to do modification, because we are the administrator guys, we are not a programmer here. So we have to know what are the commands are there, how to connect through PowerShell, how to connect to Azure account, how to create, how to design the VMs, machines, networks, that I will teach you. So it means 50% of uh, PowerShell you're going to learn here guys in this. Then I will show you guys ARM templates. We have some templates files. For example, you don't want to create any, you don't want to take headache to create, choose the operating system, network, everything is available guys in a file. So use the template file and say I want this server, hit enter, your machine is created for you guys. This is, and by using Visual Studio also guys, by using Visual Studio, it's a software, basically is used for web designing purpose, to manage the web servers guys. So Visual Studio now I'm going to use for Azure. Through Visual Studio, how your programmers, how your junior admin is going to connect to Azure to create, to add the services and machines guys. Then I will show you deployment models also guys. There are two types, classic and Azure Resource Manager model, that is also called ARM. So mostly guys in interview it will ask this question, what is ARM? You have to say Azure Resource Manager model we are using to manage the Azure services in Microsoft data center guys. Then once you're comfortable with these two things guys, then I will go to the next topic, Azure networking. So how to create your private network in cloud, that is called VNet, virtual network. How to create, how to manage private IP, public IP, management on IP, how to do, I will show you. Then I will show you firewall services like network securities, group service. This is called firewall. So basically guys, when you create a machine in the cloud, all the ports are blocked. So I will show you how to open the RDP port, how to open the HTTP port to connect to this server, to access this server, how to assign the NEC card IPs, how to change, I will show you guys. Then I will show you virtual network gateway, that is called VPNs. On-premises user want to connect to the cloud guys, maybe one user, maybe two user, maybe hundreds of users. How we are going to connect? We require VPNs guys. So types of VPNs and how to create the VPNs I will show you here. Then guys, load balancer, because my business is what, like Flipkart. So Flipkart require only one server guys, that is enough. But if the Flipkart next day is giving some offer guys, how many users will connect? Lakhs of users. To one server, if the lakhs of users are connecting, guys, your server will manage this many queries, this many requests? No guys. So guys, we require multiple servers, like maybe 4 servers, maybe 5, maybe my boss is saying 10 servers we require. Okay, so we created 10 server guys, but how the users are going to connect to 10 server, because the request coming to one server, but one server has to send the request to other servers. If one of the server is busy or one of the server is down guys, automatically your user request has to go to other servers which is available. So that we are going to learn in public load balancing concept guys. Then traffic manager means guys, just now I have given the diagram here guys. You can see here in the cloud we have this many regions guys. So I created one server in the South India guys, but in case if the South India data center is down guys, I want the same server should be connected to the central USA. So it means I'm creating two servers. Example, one is South India, one is central USA. If the South India data center is down, guys, means server is not working. Automatically, all these user requests has to go to central India, central USA server, guys, to access, guys. Here, okay, this feature I want here. So this is called traffic manager. So if we have servers in two different regions, two different data centers in two different regions, then we have to take the help of traffic manager. Then I will show you guys what is virtual machine, and this virtual machine is called instance. In AWS, this is called EC2 guys, but here is called what, here, instance. So how to create your instance, I will show you by using Windows OS or by using non-Windows operating system like Linux, Ubuntu, Oracle Linux, you can. And on that machines guys, I want high availability, means I'm creating 10 servers guys. All these 10 servers should not store in one rack, in one physical server in Microsoft data center. I want in different servers. If one of the rack is failed, guys, or power supply is off, or network switch is not working in the cloud, in Microsoft premises, guys, I want this server should run in other physical hardware on other machines. That I will show you. And guys, how to create the servers in two different zones. Zones means in two different regions, guys, right? If one of the data center in South India is down, automatically my request has to go to South India's second data center or third data center. That I will show you. Then I will show you guys how to create multiple machines. Example, your requirement is what? 100 virtual machines. Your requirement is what? 100 virtual machine, and with same hardware, with same operating system. So why we require 100 machines, guys? Because these big companies like Amazon, Flipkart, billions of users are connecting to this company servers, guys. So guys, sometime this company will give the offer 50% offer, like big billionaire offer is going on, right? So this company is saying for 3 days I want 10 servers, I want 100 servers, guys, right? So in single shot, how to create these 100 servers, right? So I will show you practical, guys, here. But whenever, and this 100 servers at a time should not work, guys. I want a scaling feature. Auto scaling means if the 5 servers are running, guys, and this is not enough, so I want next 2 servers should be on. If next 2 servers are busy, heavy traffic is there, next 3 servers should be on. Like this I want. And whenever the traffic is low, guys, automatically the server should be shut down. Except 2, all the servers should be shut down. That auto scaling feature I will show you here. How to, right, increase, decrease your servers by using virtual machine skill set. Then I will jump to the storage, guys. In storage, we have basically 4: table storage, queue storage, and blob storage, and file. So mostly we are using blob storage, guys, to store the unstructured data, guys. Media type of content, big movie files are there, or big virtual hard disks are there. GBs of hard disks, 10 GB, 20 GB, 40 GB. I want to store so that you can store in blob storage, binary large object, guys. Then if you want to share the files to the users, guys, like in Office, we are sharing the files. In the cloud, you want to share the files, you can take the help of file share, guys. Then I will show you guys how to take the Azure backup, how to use Azure backup, take backup of your on-premises data, maybe cloud, guys. Your data maybe is available on-premise or cloud, how to take the hard disk backup, how to take drive backup, how to take file backup, VM backup, service. Maybe it's a physical machine backup you want, how to take, I will show you. Then I will show you guys Azure Site Recovery. In Azure Site Recovery, I will show you guys migration, how to migrate your on-premises network servers. Maybe these servers are physical servers, guys. Maybe these servers are Hyper-V VM servers. Maybe these machines are VMware machines, guys. How to move to the cloud, that I will show you. Then if you have hybrid cloud, guys, you have some clouds in your private network. You have public cloud. How to connect these 2 clouds to allow the user to access. I will show you this one. Then after that, guys, I will move to this other topics like here. Azure Active Directory is very, very important, guys. In Azure Active Directory, how to create the users, how to create groups, how to assign application to users. Like we have more than 3,000 applications, like Office 365, guys. If any user company saying I want Office 365, first you have to create the account in Azure. Tell to your Azure admin, create some accounts. Then use this account to connect to Office 365. Then I will show you guys if you have multiple applications, how to allow the user to access with one name, one password. That is called single sign-on. Then I will show you guys multi-factor authentication. Nowadays, guys, name and password is not enough to connect to your email account, to connect to bank account. We require OTPs also. We require mobile authentication. How to give, I will show you guys here in MFA. Then guys, your junior admins are there. Not only, guys, assume it after course is completed, you're joining to one company as a junior admin. You will get full access, guys. Your company is saying you are the Azure administrator, but you will get full access, guys. Means everything you can create, manage. No, guys, you will not get. We have some special rights to you. Your roles are there. Example, my role is what? As Azure administrator, my job is what? Managing the user accounts. Your role is what here? Managing the VMs. One more administrator, Mr. Reddy, administrator job is what? Managing the storage. Like this we have, guys. So how to give these rights? I will show you here, role-based access. Right? My user should manage only virtual machines, only, guys. Right? In that, what category of virtual machines you want, you can decide here. I will show you. Right? Here I will show you how to give the rights to the junior admins. Then, guys, on-premises, we have Active Directory users. I want same users in Azure Cloud also. This is called hybrid cloud, guys. So whenever I create a user account in my on-premises Active Directory server, guys, this user account should be stored in cloud also. And this user can access with the same name, same password, cloud application also, means external application, and internal office application also, guys. Then once it's done, guys, then I will go to the next topic, Azure App Service. In Azure App Service, I will show you how to create the websites and how to push the web pages, how to design the web pages for your website, how to do custom configuration, guys. Example, I created one website in the cloud. The Microsoft has given the name xyz.com. But guys, my company name is not xyz. My company name is zoom.com. So I want to, this website name, I want to change to zoom.com. So how to do this custom domain configuration, I will show you guys here. Then I will show you monitoring also, monitoring on VM, services, websites, application, backup, users and devices, and billing also guys. I will show you how to do the billing. Then I will show you policies. Policies means restrictions guys. So I want my user, my junior admin has to create virtual machine in South India only guys, right? This restriction I want. Basically guys, when you create account in Azure, the Microsoft is saying you can access any data center. You are in India, create some servers in German data center, create some servers in West Europe guys, create some servers in USA guys. There is no restriction here. But I want to restrict the users. User has to create the machines only in South India. But in that machine, what you want, my user has to create only basic machines, not more than 8 GB machines, guys. User should not create 32 GB RAM, 56 GB RAM machines, only 8 GB RAM that I can restrict like this. Then I will show you how to create DNS service in the cloud. On premises, we have DNS, the same service available in the cloud, how to create, guys. Then I will show you media services also. In media services, we can broadcast our videos. We have some videos, we have some channels. On particular time, this video has to be displayed for the users. That and live streaming, guys. Some program is going on, right? I want to do live streaming, like something like news are there, like this. So media services, guys, are very useful for media person. Like if you're doing working on social media, if you're working in news channels, so these people require this media service. How to configure? I will show you. So, guys, in our course, this many topics are there. We are going to cover here, and this many topics. From this topic, in the exam also, the questions will come, guys. When you go for the exams, in this exam, we'll ask this many topics and this many questions are available, guys. Here. Okay. So this is our content, guys. And after completing this course, we can say we are the Microsoft Azure administrator and we have gained AZ104. But guys, before this AZ104, this paper name is what here? AZ103. From AZ103 to AZ104, what is the differences also? That I will show you guys. Because in AZ103, there are topics are there, which is removed in AZ104. Now, the Microsoft is making AZ104 is very easy for us. Before that, some topics are there in VMs, in storage, in networking. That when the time is coming, topic is coming, I will show you guys what the topics are removed from AZ103 to AZ104. But now the current paper is the old one, guys, is outdated now. But our paper is what here, AZ104.